Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Dragon Adventures. Yeah, so let's get out one of our dragons. I'm going to get out. Actually, he's hungry. Okay guys, so today we're going to be breeding our dragons. Okay, let's breed. I got an egg, guys. Let's see the new dragon we have gotten. Look how cute he is. Okay, guys, now let's get out Blade. Whoa. Who did that? Whoa! Did he just blow fire? Yes. Okay. Hey! You can't kill your owner! What's his personality? He's a bit mean. Personality is mean and stubborn. Hey! Excuse me. Hey! Okay, I really don't like him. Yes, okay, I'll pet you. Whatever. Yeah, I'm surprised too. Why is he like it? Excuse me, this is your baby. You should know why he's like this. As dad, you have to teach him how to fly. He already knows how to fly, just like you guys. Now he is very mean. Okay guys, I don't know why my dragons are so mean. They're just so mean. My dragons are so mean. I don't... What? What? You wanted me to carry on my head? You're so heavy, mister. Like, how do you expect me to do that? Yeah, I know it's heavy, okay? He's on my head. Now, please, do not, I said, do not blow my head off. They're hungry now, Burner. Here. Okay, guys, I feel like a Burner should already be able to know the he. Where'd Burner go? There's Burner. The pretty cruel one. Blew fire at me. Now he's like, okay, what's your personality, really? Helpful? He's helpful? As if he blew fire at me. How's he helpful? Guys, I really I don't get this. He's not helpful at all. Oh, anyways, you have to learn how to fly. Let's go. Whoa, he is growing big. Can I fly him yet? He's growing pretty big. Glide. Flap the wings up. And then flap the wings to glide. And glide across the sky. Then after that, glide. You must be hungry. If you were helper, Bruno, why aren't you helping me? Woo! Is Bruno gliding? Okay, so let's try to find our base. Where is the base? Okay, there. Okay, let's get him. Okay, you must be hungry. Okay, let's feed on Okay, come on, let's go take a ride into the town square. Oh, there's the town square. Let's go spin the wheel. Whoa. Okay. Reached level 6. Let's just see and let's spin. What did we get? We got. Wait, what? What's a crystal? Oh, wow. We got a lot of healing resources. Let's see. Where? Guys, please help me. Tell me where the other wheel is. There's another wheel. I know it. I know there's another wheel. Guys, tell me if I'm being a bit like not knowing where the second wheel is. Anyways, guys, we are going to be teaching Burner right over there how to fly. So once he gets to level 6, 7, we can probably already be able to teach him how to hunt for animals and stuff. Where is yes. Oh, right over there. Ooh, I can ride him now. Okay, so Burner, sorry Burner, but let's go hunting, guys. We have to teach Burner how to fly fast, how to go hunting and stuff. Cause I feel like, let's see his fire, guys. Water fire, just like his mom. It's pretty obvious cause he's blue. Okay, let's go worlds. Hey, it's your time. Even though we kind of do have a lot of healing crystals, cause anyways, we can heal him. Okay, so many bullets in the reward. And then let's go here, Burner. Let's do this. And finally, Burner, let's go. Okay. Really need those. Oh, Burner, watch out, watch out. I really want to mess with Burner. Woo. Okay, don't get too aggressive. Okay, run, Burner, run! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Until next time, guys, bye!